Hi there, crafty folks. Have you ever looked at an old rusty cardboard or a discarded metal and thought, wow, it could make something amazing out of that? You are not alone. Welding upcycling is a fantastic way to create a new life into a junk metal or creating a something work of art and beautiful. It's all about taking something old and unwanted and turning it into something unique and functional and beautiful. Just imagine transforming old scrap metal into a beautiful piece of art, metal drum into a funky lamp with a welding upcycling. The possibilities are endless. You can create a sculpture, furniture, decorations, and even a functional item like table, chair, shelves, wall hanging, sculpture, and a beautiful art of piece. Look for a shape, texture, pattern that inspires. So, where do you start? First, you will need some basic welding skill and equipment. Don't worry if you are a beginner. There are plenty of online tutorials, classes that can teach you the ropes. Once you have got the basic down, start sourcing local junkyard, thrift store, and use your own backyard for interesting metal pieces. Look for shape, texture, pattern that inspire you. When you have gathered your material, it's time to create a beautiful piece of art. Think about what you want to make or create and how you can combine your metal pieces to achieve the desired look. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try a new thing. That's all part of upcycling process you work on. Remember to stay safe and wear a protector, safety gear, and follow proper welding techniques. Before you know it, you will be creating a stunning work of art from junk metal. You might even start a new business or a hobby. The world of welding upcycling is full of possibilities, and with a little creativity and practice, you can transform discarded metal into a truly remarkable, beautiful piece. Some popular welding upcycling ideas to get you started include transforming old scrap into a sculpture or the decoration pieces into a cross, creating functional items like this beautiful painting, a standing sculpture, and also a face of a samurai, making a quickly planter for garden ornaments, and a metal sculpture, making designing unique lighting fixture from old metal drums or a pipe, building stunning metal windshield and the models. Always clean and decrease your metal pieces before welding. Use proper ventilation and the safety gears when welding. Experiment with different welding techniques and the materials. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. You can also lead to a new and interesting ideas by incorporating welding upcycle into your creative routine. You will not only be reducing waste and your carbon footprints and promoting sustainability, but you also be develop a new skill, challenging yourself creativity and producing a unique and functional piece that reflect your personality.